Having the dogs chase out all these lizards before I pull all this out. Get him, go. Get him. There you go. Alright, so we are under the bus and we are about to figure out where we're going to mount this condenser. I have two locations. So one is kind of where I'm sitting right now, where we would come down off of the rails up top here. Actually, not even that. On this one, we would just use the steel frame, which would probably make it the strongest. However, if we were going to go center over a high spot, we'd have to worry about hitting this whole unit. So it comes down 26 inches. 26 inches would look like about right here. Just pretty low. It's not the lowest part of the bus, but it is pretty low.
To hold you off.
I don't think so.
No? Can't get my bed that dirty. It's real dirty.
I'll hose myself off. And those are going to take an impact and goggles.
You want me to grab the impact for you?
Impact.
We got goggles here.
and possibly even like a wire brush some kind. There's one in the welding bucket. Now, let me just keep picking at it with these channel locks. Maybe I'll be able to get a good grip on the bolt. We got here, 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 and about. I think it's been a good day. Alright, so I just got done talking to the camera actually earlier. Dan came out to say hello and he's let me borrow the jack and a new socket.
You had the right size socket?
Yeah, it looks like it's the right one.
Great.
So I needed a long socket from his garage. It's getting dark already and we're tired. Just ate pasta. So I'm just gonna clean up. And then tomorrow morning Dan said he is gonna come out and help me get this condenser under there so we can see where we need to line up our angle brackets on the frame.
It's nice of him to offer to help.
Yeah, it was really nice.
It's going to be interesting us doing it by ourselves.
Yeah, this thing's big. It's big. Very, very big. I just really, really hope nothing happens to it within the first few years at least. Because it's hella expensive and it's a pain. But
I don't think warranty would cover whatever went wrong with it too.
definitely not. Definitely not.
You're like, will you put it where? No, warranty might cover that. What hit it? What did you run over? No.
It's like, yeah, you know, like a
Warranty's
stick.
not gonna cover that.
Branch gets caught up and just spears through the whole thing. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go to bed soon. We're just gonna pick up early in the morning. And we'll be back at it. So, yeah. Alright, what you doing, babe?
Oh, the little cutting board that sits in the sink
Yeah?
was disgusting.
Yeah.
So, I'm just sanding it and
Sand
refinishing it.
down.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. Be nice.
Wish you could have got a before shot. It was
I know.
so disgusting. Honestly, it looks just terrible. But it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. It's basically got all most. I gotta get a little bit more around the edges. But I guess I'll show you again later.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Whenever it's done.
Alright, let me.
You want me to stop?
Yeah, just for a
Sand
minute.
it a little bit?
So, we've already been up and going at it this morning. Dan's been out here helping me. So, he helped me load the condenser up under the bus and wedged up into place. So that way we can start figuring out where our angle brackets coming down from the frame are going to have to be. Just the top one. walked underneath the sharpest part.
Feels like you have me attention right now. Is this the same size?
Looks bigger. Oh, it's bigger. Alright, we are wrapped up for the weekend. We are going to go shower before we start this week. We've been rolling around in the dirt. But all the beams, or the cradle, is, I guess, cut and the bolts are ready to go. So later in the week we just need to file all the edges down, paint it, and get the higher grade bolts, the final bolts that we plan to use with this. So it'll be ready to mount up next weekend. We did find out that we have to put the electrical together, but that shouldn't be a big deal. So, anyway, yeah. Anything you want to say?
Nope.
Okay. All right, we will see you next weekend.